Top 10 Nouns Review. Hi, this is Mihnea. Welcome to Romanian Hub, the ultimate Romanian language learning portal. In this episode of Romanian Flipchart lesson, I will review the top 10 most frequently used nouns in the English language and translate them into Romanian. Hai să începem! Let's start! 1. Time, timp, timp. 2. Person, persoană, persoană. 3. Year, an, an. 4. Way, cale, cale. 5. Day, zi, zi. 6. Thing, lucru, lucru. 7. Man, bărbat, bărbat. 8. World, lume, lume. 9. Life, viață, viață. 10. Hand, mână, mână. And that's the end of Romanian Flipchart lesson. Now it's your turn. Make a sentence with one or two of the target words and post it in the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe. In that way you won't miss the next episode. Ciao, this is Mihnea, signing out from Bangkok.